This is the fastest way to make 6 figures online with your affiliate marketing business. Now, the best part about this is you don't need any funnels, you don't need any website, you don't need an email list of following, you don't even need to create any videos or show your face. And my favorite part about this method is there's literally zero competition. I'm gonna prove that to you. Now, there may be some people using this method, but what I'm gonna show you is how to find a product that literally no one is promoting, but that people are searching for. Now, if you're excited to learn this new method on how you can build a 6-figure online business with affiliate marketing, comment financial freedom down below if you're looking to quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. That's the purpose of this channel, is to help you build a full-time passive income business. Let's get into the video. All right, before I show you the step-by-step process, I want you to understand how ads work and how this method is going to play into Google Ads. Let's just say someone is going to Google to search a certain business or a certain company. I'm going to choose Amazon for the purposes of this example. Now, if you go to Amazon and just type that in Google, you'll notice that they have an ad right here, okay? So as you can see, it's just Amazon.com. Usually Amazon will run their own ads to their own business. Now, people will still click on this ad, and when people click on that, they're gonna go just directly to their Amazon website. Now, here's another example here, right? Let's just say someone knows about DoorDash, but maybe 1, they're too lazy to go to DoorDash.com, or 2, they don't actually know the website for DoorDash.com. It happens, right? So they go into Google and they type in DoorDash, okay? As you can see, they are running ads to their own website, okay? Now, basically what we're gonna be doing with this method that I'm showing you today is we're running ads to companies that are not running ads. But what I'm gonna show you is how to find companies that don't have anyone running ads to them, but more importantly, people are actually searching for these companies. So one more example here. This is a software company called ClickFunnels, okay? So if someone were to go to Google and type in ClickFunnels, well, there's an ad to go buy ClickFunnels, right? Well, you got to understand how it works when someone goes to Google. Someone already knows the business name, so they're willing to buy the product, okay? Because they already know the product name. What I'm going to show you how to do is find a company that does not have an ad, okay? But that has a lot of people searching. I want you to notice something right here. As you can see, the volume of this business is 110,000 people searching per month. Now, obviously you can't do it with ClickFunnels. 1, they don't allow you to do it. And 2, they're already running their own ads to their own business, okay? Now let's head over to step 1 so I can show you how to find companies that don't have anyone running ads to their business. All right, so step 1 in this process is we're gonna go to a website called Capterra.com. Now, the reason I'm going to this website is because they have a catalog of a ton of software businesses. Now, I love software because they give you monthly reoccurring commissions. So that's why I'm gonna go find a software company, but more importantly, we're gonna find a company that no one is running ads to. So what you're gonna wanna do here, step number 2, is you're gonna go to software categories and click on browse all categories. Now, the cool thing is they have literally hundreds of different types of software in almost any niche. As you can see, they have A/B testing software, accounting software, admission software, affiliate software. I mean, we're just in the A's. It goes on and on. I mean, animal shelter software. So if 1 million people were to watch this video, I guarantee you that there's still not any competition with this. I'm gonna show you exactly why, okay? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and click on church software. Once I go inside the church software, I can go ahead and start looking at these different softwares, at these different businesses. So what you're gonna wanna do is go line by line and type these software names into Google, okay? So let's just take, for example, this top one here, okay? Servant Keeper, okay? We're gonna copy that name. We're gonna go to Google and we're gonna type this in, okay? So what we wanna see here is, are they running ads? No, these ones aren't running ads. So this one may be something we can look at, okay? So we're gonna write this down. Another thing I wanna look at is how many people per month are searching this software, okay? And the way I know this is I have a Google extension called keywords everywhere, as you can see right here. Okay, so I would definitely get keywords everywhere because you can see how many searches per month. Okay, so this is really important because if someone's going to Google and typing this in, that means they already know about the product and they're ready to buy. Okay, so this one we'll check out so far. Okay, there's a few things we'll have to check. So if we keep going here, we can go line by line to see which software has, one, the most people searching, and two, doesn't have someone running an ad to it. Okay, so let's just go. This one has a lot of reviews here. This one has 480. Let's look at this one here. Let's look at Breeze. Okay, so I'm gonna go again to Google. I'm gonna type in Breeze. I'm gonna look to see. Okay, this one here has a ton of meaning here, so maybe I won't go with this one just because Breeze means a lot of things, right? It's not just a company name. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep looking here. I'm gonna go to, okay, let's go to Church Windows. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Google and type in Church Windows, and let's see what this tells us. Okay, so this one might be a good one as well. As you can see, 12,000 searches per month. Okay, so this one, I really like this one, and no one is running an ad. Okay, at least from what I can see here. Okay, I do want to show you though one that is running an ad, that way you don't choose that one. All right, so I'm going to look through here one more time, and I'm going to look at push pay. Now if I go to Google and type that in, yes, it has a volume of 14,000 people, which is amazing, but here's the issue here. Okay, they're actually running ads to this company here. Okay, so whether it's another affiliate or most likely it's probably the company. Okay, so this one you cannot run ads to because one, someone's already running ads, and two, maybe the affiliate program doesn't allow you to run ads, which I'm going to show you how to look for in just a second. Okay, so let's go back and find one that we can promote as an affiliate and run ads to. So I'm going to look through. As you can see, this one I like. It has a lot of reviews. It's a top performer. So I'm going to go to Church Track. I'm going to search that in Google. So we're going to go to Google and type in search track. Okay, now this one right here I really like, okay, because it has 5,400 monthly searches, which means that's a ton of people searching this product. Okay, it's going to get you a ton of clicks. All right, now what you're going to basically do is run an ad basically that looks exactly like this, but this is going to have an ad here. And when someone clicks on it, you're going to get a commission when someone buys the software. Typically, it'll be a church paying every single month. Okay, this is monthly reoccurring commissions. All right, so that's the first criteria we need to check off. Now, the next one is we need to find out if this program has an affiliate program. Okay, so we're going to go to Church Track affiliate program, and we're just going to simply type that into Google. So whatever the program is, affiliate program. Okay, now here's the cool thing, right? So refer a friend affiliate program. So if I click on this right here, we can see how much they're paying out and how much you can make. Okay, so if I go down over here, you can see they do have an affiliate program. Okay, so you'll receive 20% when someone subscribes to this business. Okay, very, very cool. Okay, so that means that's checked off. That means they have an affiliate program. Now we can go ahead and promote this. Okay, and it tells you how to get the link to become an affiliate for this software. Okay, now the last thing you do want to check is you want to check their terms and conditions to see if you can do a pay per click or use Google ads with their name. Okay, one thing that I want to mention is if you were to go and promote, like let's say you go to Google and type in ClickFunnels, this is their name. They don't allow you to run ads to their actual brand name. Okay, a lot of affiliate companies don't allow you to do this, especially if they're bigger affiliate programs. But that's why we're looking for smaller programs. Maybe they don't know, or two, they just don't care if you run ads to their brand name. Okay, obviously they're not running ads, like for example with Church Track, they're not running ads to their program here. So typically you're gonna want to go to the terms and conditions in the affiliate program and find out. Now I don't see any terms and condition here, but if you want to make sure to contact them, email them and say, hey, am I allowed to run ads to your name, to your brand name? I'm an affiliate. I'm going to be running traffic. I'm going to be an affiliate running paid ads to your program. Is that okay if I use your brand name, but I'm going to be running ads to your business? Now, as I mentioned, there's literally no competition with this because we're finding companies that, one, a lot of people are searching for, and two, nobody is running ads to them, and I prove that to you, right? So let's just say somebody run ads to this company, Church Track. After this video, someone probably will, but that's okay. We just go and find another business, another software in a whole different category. It really doesn't matter, okay? So again, there's no competition with this. You just got to find a company that, one, has an affiliate program, two, has a lot of people searching, and three, they allow you to run Google ads to their business. Okay, so the next step and final thing to do is simply run an ad to the program that you found, okay? We're gonna be running a Google text ad just like this. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is go to the website ads.google.com, and you're gonna wanna create a Google Ads account, all right? So very easy to sign up. Sometimes they'll even give you a promotion to run ads. They'll give you like $500, $200. As you can see right here, we'll give you $500 in free ad credit when you spend $500. So sometimes they'll have multiple promotions. Just be sure to look out for them. They change every so often. But go ahead and sign up with a Google Ads account. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. I already have a Google Ad account, and I'll show you what to do next. All right, so we're inside my Google Ads account. Now, the next thing you want to do is create a brand new campaign. So I'm going to go to new campaign here, and we're going to want to do a brand new campaign, and we're going to run a very simple text ad. Now, what I want to do here is I want to create a campaign without a goal guidance. Okay, we're going to click on this, and what we're going to choose is search. Okay, so remember, when someone types in that certain keyword, it's going to show up on the search on Google. Okay, so I'm gonna click on search here, and we're gonna click on continue here on the bottom right. Let me move my face here. They're at the bottom right, so I'm gonna click continue here, and campaign name, we're just gonna run, I'm just put Church Track Google ad. We're gonna hit continue here, and we're just gonna start new. All right, so what do we want to focus on? What we want to focus on is getting clicks. Okay, that's all we want to focus on. We don't really care about conversion because we're sending people straight to that affiliate program. So we're going to focus on clicks here, and we're going to go to next. So what I want to do here is I want to actually tick off the Google search partners and the Google display network. I just want to focus on search. I don't want to focus on search partners. Okay. Now, I'm not sure which country Church Track is located in or who they serve most. That's something you could ask them if you want. I'm just going to do the United States. I'm assuming that most of their customers are from the US. Again, we're just going to want to look into that to see. They may be worldwide, but I'm just going to click the United States because typically that's going to be a better customer anyway. So I'm going to go to United States. We're going to click on English and hit next. Now, the keywords, this is really important. This is where you want to get the keyword Church Track. Remember, people are typing that into Google. They already know about it, so they're going to go into Google and type that in to hopefully buy the product from you. Okay, so basically you're going to want to go to Church Track here. Okay, so we're going to put Church Track just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do different variations of this. Okay, so I'm going to do Church Track just like that. Now, the reason I did the little quotation marks here is because it says this is a phrase match. Okay, so basically what that means is anytime this is typed into Google, it will show the ad. Now, what you can do if you want an exact keyword, you can do these brackets right here. Okay, so you can do Church Track, meaning only when they type that in, that's when it shows your ad. Okay, if you have something like this with the quotations, that means someone types in something else before it, right? Like Church Track app or Church Track cost or Church Track online. It's going to show it for pretty much all those search keywords. Okay, now if you just want it to show for like Search Track specifically and nothing else, that's what you're going to want to do the brackets for. Okay, what I would do is I would do the phrase match for now, test that out, and later on, if that's not working out, if you're getting kind of too many people clicking on it and not buying, then you could do an exact match. Okay, one last thing here as I will do buy Church Track, and this one I'll actually do an exact phrase match here. Okay, that means when someone types, you know, I want to buy Church Track into Google or something like that, it'll show right up into the search. Okay, so we can mess with the keywords. There's different things. you do want to stick just with the branded name. You don't want to go off anything else, okay? You don't want to put any other keywords, because with this particular method, we're just targeting people that already know about the brand. We're not searching for people that are going to Google and typing in, you know, best church software. That means someone is looking for this, okay? With this method, they already know what they want. They just need to go to Google and buy it, okay? So that's the keywords we're gonna go with here. Now, the next thing here is we need to just add the ad, okay? So the final URL is very simple, right? That's literally just the affiliate link. I didn't go and get the link for this particular program, but it shows you how to get the link here. So just with any affiliate program, you have to go and find that specific link, okay? So if there's a person, right, and they click on your link here, okay, this is your tracking link, your specific link that tracks back to you, okay, then when they buy from your specific link, you get paid. That's how affiliate marketing works, okay? But you do got to go and find that link here, and they show you how to get that referral link, okay? Now, here's an example from my specific affiliate program. This is just an example, okay? So this is your referral link here, okay? This is the link that you would want to put in the final URL on Google, okay? So again, if you're promoting this product here, you know, either go ask them, hey, where can I get my affiliate link, or just follow the instructions on how to become an affiliate and go find the link, okay? So that's what you want to do. You want to put this final URL in here. I'm just going to use this since I already have this up, and I'm going to put that inside of here, okay? This is where we're running the ads to. Now, the next thing is we simply just need to create the ad, okay? Cool thing here is I'm just going to honestly use what they have here, okay? They already have everything done. I'm just going to take this and type that into Google, okay? Or type that into my ad, okay? So you can see here, church track, where I'm going to actually put this up a little bit. Church track, software for small churches. Let's go with this one here. I'm just going to write a few headlines here. It looks like Google wants 3 headlines, okay? So there we go. We have some, I literally just copied what they gave me here. And the description, we could simply just take the description from their regular website here. So we can just take this. I'm going to type that into Google. Let's break this up just a bit, just like that. Perfect. Okay, good. So now this is exactly how the ad is going to look. Okay, you have the ad here. You're going to have your affiliate link. Obviously, that's not the right link here. This is just for the example. But then as you can see here, this is the exact ad for this software, okay? So I'm just gonna go with that. We're gonna hit next here. Don't worry about call out extensions. That's a little bit more advanced. We're gonna hit next. Average budget. Well, there's no competition here. So, I mean, we could start with 30 bucks a day. There's no competition here with this particular one. So I'm just gonna go with $30 a day, and that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and let me see here, low traffic expected. That's okay, because, you know, to them 5,000 searches per month is not a lot, but you know, we're gonna go ahead and go with that because no one is running ads to it, okay? So we're okay with that. If you want to find a program that has more searches per month, you can do that. I don't think you'll have a problem, just because there's literally no one else running ads to this company, okay? Very next thing is you're just gonna publish this and you're good to go. All right, everyone, I hope this video was of value. It's a way to really get up and going with your affiliate marketing business, and literally no one is doing this with these other products. So I promise you, if you were to find a few of these products, start running ads to them, you're gonna make money with this method. Now, if you wanna learn how to build this out for the long term, right? How to build an email list, more importantly, how to build your YouTube brand, your TikTok. That way you have an email list that brings you in money for years and years to come. Then I wanna invite you to my challenge down below. It's gonna show you exactly what I've done to quit my 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom, but more importantly, how I've helped over 32,000 students get on the path of leaving their 9-to-5 job and achieving financial and time freedom. I'll leave that link down in the YouTube description. That's gonna be the first link down below. And let me know if you guys found any value in this video, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.